Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Elijah, a Corey fan, and Vinny Chopra.
Hi guys, hi everybody.
We're located at.
Oh, we are in Black Hawk Country Club. It's been one of my passion in life. Elijah and God, thank God, because with the success we have had in real estate, we are able to have an opportunity to purchase this property.
Totally
right
a
here.
dream house.
Oh,
And
thank you.
to me, this is a testimony. If you work hard enough and smart enough, with $7, you come to America, you can achieve this for over 3 million. But this is for only insiders. Yeah. So,
But
Vinny,
see, the thing is, it's a humble. I'm a very humble man, my wife and all, and we have had success. We've been married for 39 years, and about 25 years back, I set a goal. We used to live only 2 miles away, right outside Black Hawk Country Club, and we thought, maybe God will give us some strength to be able to maybe move into the country club. So I definitely want to say that don't give your dream, you should never lose track of them. You should really have powerful dreams, write it down, work hard, and then make it happen, because the things do work out. Not every time. They most of the time work out if you are keeping your your eye on the ball, I say. The ball is so important in life, because that's what is going to bring us special and make us work hard for the family, to give more to the family, or charities and travels and things like that.
so you guys are enjoying good life, and this is thanks to your latest discovery, real estate.
Real estate has really changed our lives, especially commercial real estate. We used to be in single family homes, as you know, Elijah, and we just sold all of them. And single family home is not the way to really scale up. I want to tell everybody who's listening to me, because once you go into commercial real estate, that is the name of the game. And that's why I'm promoting and teaching in my academy and everything, how to be able to be a syndicator, that is to pool the money together. There's like $26 trillion, trillion with a T, of retirement funds in America. And there are lots and lots of great accomplished people who have made a lot of money in their life, but they don't know how to really spend that money or put that money or invest that money to get returns of 10, 15, 20%, and like that. But in the commercial real estate, through apartment investing, which we do, that's what we specialize in, multifamily, we find that you are able to scale up, you're able to get preferred returns, and you're able to get the equity gains. Like I just sold in January a property where my investors made 26%,
Insane.
per year.
Whoa.
And they were able to happy to get their money back, plus a big check of $70,000. If somebody gave me $100,000, they got cash flows plus $70,000 check again at the sale. And it's amazing, because the thing is, if you buy it right in the right places, when I say places, I mean emerging markets. See, emerging markets are so important, right?
Don't interrupt them. There is whole study and book and ebooks Vinny published about emerging markets, about where to find and how to find deals. So good stuff.
Totally.
So
And
Vinny-
analyzing, that's
this is
huge.
this is the whole art.
The underwriting is so very important to buy the right product and have the value plays and the exit strategies and everything, and how to build relationships with the brokers, with investors. That's the name of the game, is to how to really harness your skills to get more investors to invest into legally through the syndication means, and to be able to then put together this offering memorandum and have pre-existing relationships with the investors, that where you meet with them 2, 3, 4 times, you sit down, you talk to about their goals and what their aspirations are, and then you are able to put together some really good contracts of sale, we call them, to buy apartment buildings, qualify for them, and then investors' money into it so that they can get great returns. This is my new office, a humble office. I've been working out in the garage. Actually, we had an office in the garage. Can you believe it? But it was converted into a room. But now this is a little bit nicer, with a nice view and everything. I'm very excited about to have that, which is, again, these are the fruits of labor that, you always want to be humble when God gives you, and thankful to everybody who has given us the time of life that we are doing.
And you
right
truly deserve it because you helped so many people in knowledge-wise and financially and emotionally. You grew many students to be like you.
Oh, I appreciate that, Elijah. And I feel that I want to teach everything I got, everything I've developed, all my templates, all my things, skills, so that my students are even bigger than me.
Yes.
And I want them
And
to
we
be
will
more
be.
successful. Yes, you will be. You will be.
Speaking of Florida, tell us what are the chances, who can participate, and if there's any room left. And
Surely. I was able to raise about $7 million in just about 5 days. It took me, and now I have to only raise 8 million and 2, so 8.2 million, let's say. So I have a room for a little bit more, and it's for sophisticated or accredited investors, both. You could, invest as much as 50,000 or 100 or 200 or 500. But if you do more, you get a higher percentage, preferred rate, plus 70-30. That's what I'm really, really proud of. We are giving 70% of the cut to the investors, and 30 we are keeping just for the management and guaranteeing the loan and this and that and running the operation. So majority is
very
good.
generous distribution.
Yeah.
So I believe there will be a video presentation under the link of this video.
Yes.
You can watch the whole analysis, the location, emerging market numbers, what you can get if you invest this number, that number. Vinny's company is very transparent.
Yes.
Very great, generous.
Yes.
And I'm inviting you because I know Vinny for about 2 years.
Thank you.
Awesome to deal with him. Not only he's a happy and smiling person, Mr. Smiles, as we know, but also he gives people good preferred in returns and just good positive life.
That's the thing, because this life is short. I really believe in that. And you got to have the highest integrity, the trustworthiness, the frankness, the openness. That's how we started the 4 companies. And we are very, very happy that, how investors have gotten the benefits. And the students who have gone through my academy, Elijah, they enjoy it. I love master coaching and personal coaching. I don't get too much time. And, but I'm really fascinated by all the quality of people who are attracted with me.
Speaking of education, a special podcast. I'm the fruit of podcast. 3 years ago, I didn't know word mortgage. I was so far away from it. Today, I'm blessed with 12 units that are being paid for themselves, and I'm growing. I'm underwriting 50-unit apartment deals together with motivation of Vinny.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, invest in yourself. This is the biggest thing you can do in your life. Think, grow, and not only think and grow, take action.
Take action.
Real
Massive
physical.
action.
Massive
I really believe in that. Daily, you got to really have the big goals. BHAG, there was a book, I think, Built to Last.
Yeah.
And that's where I read BHAG, the big, hairy, audacious goals. That's how they called it. I still remember that. You got to have great vision. Have a vision board. Have a action-oriented, attitude. And then every day you got to look at what activities did you work on. Were they giving you results or not? Because if they were not giving results, never do those activities again. So you got to really see where we are spending time in the right activities which bring results. So massive action.
Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, if you still want to join the investment opportunity, do it right now. Contact Vinny. There's a description how to get in touch with him. Analyze it. If this is for you, welcome to this game of investment. Amazing stuff. And my name was Elijah, Corey fan.
Sure.
Vinny Chopra.
And if you reach out to us, we'll meet with you, we'll sit down and everything, and then look at, huh? Sure.
Wonderful.
Thank
Have a great day.
Thank
Blessings.
you. Bye-bye.